Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today is actually a very exciting video for me as well as for you guys. I'm sure you've seen the title. Yes, we finally have the full system exhaust for our Cheeto. If you're new to the channel, just to give you a background, this is the 2024 Ninja ZX6R, and this was the latest model which was relaunched back in 23 in the US, and 24 it came down to India in January. You can watch my previous videos for more details about my delivery and all of the other details. But coming back to this video, so we finally have the exhaust system, and after a long wait, indeed almost 1 year, I got the exhaust. I have it right here. So after almost a year, a long wait indeed, I finally got my hands on this exhaust system. So this is the M4 GP19 full system exhaust. For those of you who don't know about M4, so they are a company based out of the United States, and they're actually based in Dallas, Texas. And coincidentally, my friend who brought this exhaust for me from there also resides there, and he was very nice and kind to actually agree to bring it while he was traveling here for a wedding. And yeah, so just got lucky that we have the full system with us here. So I was talking about the M4. So these guys are based out of US, and which is why you do not hear this name often here in India. In India you have the other brands like Akatovich and Arrow, even Austin Racing for that matter, that are popular for the 6R models. But the M4s, they're pretty rare, I'd say. And in the M4 range, the GP19s are known to be a little more on the bassy side and very popular because of the fitting. So I'll talk more about the fitting and everything later on in the video. But giving a background about why this M4 exhaust system. So this is one of the best exhaust system, I'd say, for the 6R. The sound, the performance, and the way it fits and the way it looks, all of that is amazing. So these guys, like I was saying, they produce performance systems for superbikes, and there is actually a WSBK team for the Suzuki where these guys produce their exhaust system and use it on the bike. So that is, I think it's the EC Star. I'll put it on the screen. So that is where they became popular from. So in India, like I said, they do not have deliveries as such, so you cannot order it online. There are a few dealers that you'd see on their website where you'll find the Indian versions, not actually Indian version, but I'd say the dealership here. But again, you need to place an order and wait for at least 3 to 4 weeks, since from the time you place the order and to the time it gets delivered, it would take at least 3 to 4 weeks, and it's pretty expensive here. So I'll talk about the pricing also later. But again, like I was saying, since my friend was already there, he's just 40 miles from the headquarters of M4. It got delivered within 48 hours, and we were very lucky because he was traveling around the same time, and it just happened that we were able to get this. So the GP19s that we have here, this full system, it comes with the stainless steel headers and the collector pipes, and of course the slip-on. So these slip-ons are very popular in the US. You might have seen a lot of content from there, but in India there's hardly 1 or 2 6Rs which have the M4 exhaust, considering it is not easily available in the market here, and you need to import it from there. So this one right here, this is the first full system being fit on a 2024 ZX6R. So that's something that stands out, of course, on the streets. There is one bike that I know has a slip-on from what I've seen online in India for the 24 edition, and in the 2019s I think there are 2 of them. I don't think anyone has a full system M4 as such, considering the different things that go into picture here, which I'll be talking about in the later part of the video. But yep, so this is going to be something unique to Cheeto, and I'd say stay tuned to watch it all. I'll show you everything related to the fitting and how the process is, considering all the parameters of the 24 edition compared to the 2019s. So inside, let's see what do we have inside this particular packet that the M4 has sent us. So it says read first before installation. So of course we're going to go through this. There are a lot of these springs that we need to attach to the pipes after we fit them. So let's open it and see. There's a hanger over here that I can see. So this is the hanger that goes on near our foot peg for this particular part of the full system exhaust. So the slip-on gets attached to it with a bolt, and then we hang it on. And next, what else do we have? We have a few stickers that you can see as well. They've sent us about 5 stickers, very generous of them. And the remaining things are all about the fitting. So I'm not gonna go much in depth right now, but I'll let you guys see it once we're getting it fit. So all of these are the fitting parts. Okay, they've also given the instructions on how to fit it, so with visual references. So this is really good. So I think it's a set of 4 sheets along with visual representation. So they've given the list over here that you can see what all it contains, the brackets as well as the auto sensor fitting plugs. Then we also have a bunch of other things along with the hanger collector unit and the springs. So we'll go through all these instructions when we are fitting, and I'll also fill you guys on it. So they've mentioned what all you need to follow, what you need to place, where you need to place. So if you have the tools with you and if you're really excited about doing this on your own, you might as well fit the full system. Maybe start off with the slip-on. I actually planned on doing the slip-on and then just move on to it. Also have a disclaimer over here about returns, use and care. Fits until the 2024 ZX6R, so not the 2025 yet. I think there shouldn't be much of a difference, but from this I think you can see they've updated it. I hope there are 2 set of sections for us to fit in, but let's see, I'll show it to you guys. So right now I'm taking the exhaust and Cheeto to get it fit, and I will see you guys in a bit as soon as I hit the road. Why is the stock exhaust back again? Where is the loud M4 team? If you're watching this, it was very smart of you guys.